Has been what she said.
Oh my god, why?
She said a lot, didn't she?
I know.
She had so much to say.
Never shut up, you know.
Bloody Mika.
Fucking Mika.
Is that... Yes?
The ventilation.
Does that look alright?
Looks about right. Because it's always had this kind of light here.
Always has been.
Yep.
I thought we managed to get that out before.
Maybe in a two. I think I might have been standing here.
Yeah. Okay.
I want to quickly check a bit of footage from before if it's on the laptop. Or if it's on the hard drive
It's on a hard drive that's now over there. Can't be asked.
Roboteers,
Wonderful.
stand by.
It's definitely that way.
2, 1, activate.
Oh
boy.
Hey!
Oh boy.
Well, this could have gone better.
It's not as well as last time, that's for sure. Although,
It's the first time
I got stuck around the spikes.
wrap it up.
Any moment now.
Oh no.
Excuse me.
What?
Excuse me,
Oh, you
please.
were just pushing in.
Hello. Hello. My tooth is stuck. My tooth. I think I lost my tooth.
Hang on.
Yeah, you good there, go.
Ah, I did absolutely nothing.
So that, it's not looking happy. The weight of that panel not enough.
It's all going apart.
Halfway.
Something's not happy in there.
Something's not happy on there! I mean, you've got a minute left to finish it off.
Keep on. Keep driving. Keep driving. Come on.
You've taken out the motor.
It's okay, I'm sure you can just buy more of those, right?
It's still good. It's still good.
I basically have more mobility now.
30 seconds.
Entanglement.
What the hell?
You've turned into Smeg!
I can't get out. I can't get out.
15 seconds.
Is this mobile?
I mean,
Define mobility.
10,
I'm
9,
moving outside the
8,
circumference of the wheel.
7, 6,
Completely stuck.
5, 4, 3,
So that,
2,
that repair.
1.
I'm gonna spin around inside.
I feel like the main mass of the robot was immobile for quite a while there.
That's a good one, lads. I like that
So
one.
about those Dougal repairs.